Introducing Perfect Picturewall, out of the box and on your wall in minutes, perfectly. No measuring, no figuring, no fuss, and no mistakes. This all-in-one system contains everything you need to create a perfect picture wall in minutes. Forget about running around looking for the right size frames, mats, hardware, and tools. With a perfect picture wall, just open the box and go. This system includes a preview template, easy-to-follow quick start instructions, a parts pack which includes bubble levels, hardware, and mounting squares, and 10 solid wood frames. The only thing you will need to create your picture wall is a hammer. First, apply 2 bubble levels, which are included, to template to ensure a level picture wall. Then, place the template in the desired position on the wall. Firmly press the self-adhering template onto the wall, stand back, and ask yourself if you like the height, position, and direction of the template. With the repositionable template, you can change the placement as often as you like before you are satisfied. Now, pierce the template at each frame outline, creating a tiny hole on the wall. This is where the wall hooks will go. Now remove the preview template. Using the tiny holes as guides, hammer a 1-step brass hook into each location. Now simply hang frames on hooks. One set includes 10 wood frames and is approximately 3 feet by 5 feet installed. You can also hang the template in a vertical position like this. We have even included the up the stairs templates to turn your staircase into a gallery in minutes. You can even hang multiple templates side by side for endless possibilities. Go to perfectpicturewall.com for more information and order your picture wall today with free shipping.